Hey mga ka-Jennies, as Munir says, so papunta nga kami ngayon sa airport. And nakanta pa nga yung person. He's been complaining since day one about how hot or humid here in the Philippines, but I can't blame him.
Stop, Kajan. It's too hot. Put the camera all in my face.
You're like, it's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot.
Kunwari pa nga, pero nagpo-post din naman po may camera. And finally, nakarating na nga kami sa airport and we're checking kung saan counter pa kami later. And ayan, ganda-gandahan na ang person. So, nagala-gala muna kami since medyo maaga-aga pa. I also tried taking a video of him and look, as always, magpo-post yan. Kunwari pa nahihiya. So, we decided to go back to the airport since na-realize namin wala kaming kakainan. And while going back, pinarik siya nagsasalita, hindi bigaya niya.
Why are you trying to sound like that?
The food good.
Yeah, you can only have one, okay?
No, 3.
You have rice.
3.
And ang ugali niya, ayan, iinumin niya yung drinks ko. But it's okay. And as you guys can see, dito na kami kumain sa LA Chicks kasi nagugutom na ang mga person. Pero no regret kasi masarap yung mga food nila. So, yun na nga, nag-check-in kami online and we realized na hindi kami magkatabi. Tinry namin magtanong dun sa counter if pwede pa siyang i-adjust. But they said na hindi na pwede. So, wala kami nagawa, girl.
Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Taking a video. It's recorded and I was like, oh!
After ko masipa yung mga bagay-bagay, nasa loob na nga kami ng airplane. Sa seat na nga kami, pero magkahiwalay kami niyan. And then sabi ng crew, after takeoff, pwede kami lumipat. So, lumipat na ako sa tabi niya. And after magharutan, ayan, actually 2 hours, nakadating na kami sa Puerto Princesa. And ayun nga, after namin magkasundo ni Kuya sa pamasahe, dinala niya na kami sa hotel. So if you're on a budget, this hotel is perfect. Since one night nga lang kami mag-i-stay, ito na yung pinili namin. And mind you guys, medyo maraming lamok. So magdala na kayo ng mga mosquito repellent. And ayan, mirror check. After we get inside, there's a lot of mosquitoes, so I have to call the front desk and they sent someone to spray. And it's okay because we're gonna go out to check something. And this is me telling him not to open the door again. We went outside to check the Baragatan Festival as the locals recommended us to go here. And also we decided to have dinner. As we roam around, you can see different shops with different culture, products, and talent. Never been prouder as a Filipino. We also decided to go inside in the shops and I tried one of the hairdress in there and I was trying to explain to him about the music and the dance steps. Also guys, as we are going to this festival, I asked Kuya tricycle driver what Baragatan means and he said that means coming together where all Palawan tribes dance and culture celebrate as one. As we roam around, we decided to have our dessert which is ice cream. Me and my boo bear really enjoyed this experience together. We can't wait to explore more. So today is our day 2 and I'm getting ready to get our breakfast because my boo bear is waiting for me.
Let's go get food because we're hungry. It's like good morning, Jenny.
So, dito na nga kami sa restaurant ng hotel kumain kasi kailangan namin magmadali dahil darating na rin yung van for transfer going to El Nido. And si Munir na yung umorder ng food. So, yung in-order niya is tapsilog and ako naman is bangsilog. Nakaka-relax kumain dito. Sobrang ganda ng view. After we ate, we checked out and waited for the van. So, this land travel will be 4 to 6 hours. So, you guys have to brace yourselves and don't worry, may stopover naman. After long hours, nandito na nga kami sa Bali. Charot, dito sa sa El Nido. To be honest, akala ko nasa Bali talaga kami ulit. So, ayun na nga, pagkadating namin tayo, nag-ayos lang kami ng mga gamit and then nakaidlip kami. After that, we decided to eat at the American restaurant, like the burger shop na meron dito. This is nearby at the beach house, which was the Airbnb we're staying.
Shung, 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 shung. How do you flip it?
Yeah. You need to finish over there.
But I brought my like the square ring light.
I was wondering what that was.
The one in your bag?
Yeah.
How's your corned beef? It's good. Ayun na nga, after namin mag-breakfast, we're supposed to go on island hopping, but the weather is not nice, so the Coast Guard canceled any activities that day. We didn't let the weather ruin our day, so we decided na mag-beach hopping na lang.
Stop tickling me.
So, after ng konting harutan, ayun, nag-ready na din kami para mag-beach hop. But also, we decided na mag-rent na lang ng motorcycle para naman makapag-ikot kami kung saan namin gusto. And noong una, di pa ako sure kung marunong talaga siya mag-drive.
So we rented a motorcycle.
That's how you go faster?
No! I'm gonna drop your phone. You know, it's bigger than my head. We got here safe.
Come on. You should trust me more often.
Yeah, I trust you. I just hope my lashes is okay. I think we have to bring the helmet.
You telling me there's a part 2?
Yes. We should go to the Leo beach. So we made it here at Vanilla Beach. I'm gonna get some ponies for me. Hey, 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 hey.
They're not. They're not.
Let's go.
Can I go record you?
No, it should be like that so we can upload it.
Hey.
Anyways, after namin magsayaw-sayawan dyan, nandito na nga pala kami sa Vanilla Beach. It's just a few minutes away kapag nagmotor kayo galing dun sa the beach house kung saan kami naka-Airbnb. And guys, sobrang ganda. Lalo na yung mga rock formations, makikita nyo na sila dito like as in sobrang lapit.
Hey guys, this is your favorite babe and we're here at the Vanilla Beach with my boo-boo.
Ooh, ka dyan. Wow, look at the water. Look at the water, guys.
What?
And naganap na nga kami ng space kung saan kami tatambay. But nag-aya nga siyang bumili ng mga alcohol. So, ayan, magiinom kami tanghaling tapat. Charot, mga hapon na yan. Realize ko, sobrang ganda dito sa Palawan.
See this guy? He's getting drunk.
No pictures, please. Oh, people swimming, huh?
First touch of the water. Finally.
Finally, day 3
Day 3.
of our island adventure.
After we find a place to set up, ayan, nag-inom na kami. Tapos, wala, nag-chill lang and nagkwentuhan. We just finished our alcohol drinks and appreciated the place. And after that, we decided to enjoy the beach as we swim together. walk around, and after that we moved to the next place.
Look at my boo-boo. He's driving like a pro. We made it into
Part 3! Ooh, you chose a good place to leave.
just follow her.
So cool.
They said guests only.
We are here at Leo Beach now, guys. You know, we came here expecting for island hopping, but we found our favorite spot without even getting on a boat. Also, we decided to find something to eat kasi nagugutom na kami. And after that, saka kami maglalakad-lakad and then mag-swimming. We found a good spot and also a nice restaurant to eat because the food is so good. After nga namin kumain is naglakad-lakad na kami dito sa bridge. Actually, under construction siya. Ayoko lang videohan yung mga side na ginagawa nila for the privacy na. After nga, nag-swimming na rin kami ulit. Siguro mga 30 minutes lang and then nag-prepare na din kami para umuwi. Drive na nga kami pa uwi niyan. Sobrang pagod namin. Pagdating namin, nakatulog na nga kami. So, this is our last day kaya nag-aayos na kami ng gamit niyan after namin kumain. Hindi namin mag-check out ng maaga kasi mga bahaba pa yung biyahe namin pabalik ng Puerto Princesa. Ayun na nga, nag-aasaran kami dyan. Tapos may ginagaya siya. Tapos pinapaulit ko sa kanya and ayaw niyang gawin. Pero pinipilit ko siya.
Somebody do that, okay? What the hell? Stop, good job.
After nga namin magtawanan, umalis na din kami agad. Sumakay nga lang kami sa tricycle papunta sa terminal ng mga van. Nandun kasi nakabook yung flight namin pabalik ng Manila sa Puerto Princesa. As usual, mahaba-haba yung biyahe, 3 to 4 hours or maybe 5. But don't worry kasi may stopover naman. So, ayan, nag-lunch muna kami along the way para hindi kami magutom sa biyahe.
Muy bien. Kagan.
Dito nga pala kami nag-stop over. Okay naman yung mga food nila. Medyo pricey nga lang. Para sa full meal is like 500 plus. But the view is really good. And after that, bumalik na din kami sa biyahe. After 5 hours, nakarating na nga rin kami dito sa airport. While we are traveling, it's kind of a bit rainy. But when we got here at the airport, it's not raining anymore. Since 4 hours away pa nga yung flight namin, nag-decide kami na pumasok muna dito sa coffee shop and umorder just to chill and have some little bit of rest because medyo napagod kami dun sa 5 long hours na biyahe. So inside the coffee shop, may mga jewelry sila na binibenta. So we decided to get one for his mom para pasalubong sa kanya. After a few hours, nag-decide na din kami pumasok sa airport para i-check yung flight namin. And nagala-gala na din kami at the same time.
What is that? Seat reveal.
What the hell?
I told you, I down.
After nga namin i-print yung boarding pass namin, tapos nakita namin na hindi kami magkatabi, bumalik nga kami ulit dito sa counter. Kasi nung una, nagtanong na kami kung pwede na sila na bahala para magkatabi kami sa seat. And sinabi nila, kailangan namin pumunta dun sa machine para i-print yung boarding pass namin. At the same time, kapag in-enter namin nang sabay, ibig sabihin magiging magkatabi kami. Which is, hindi siya nangyari, kaya bumalik kami sa counter. So after nun, nagawa naman ng paraan, binigyan nila kami ng bagong boarding pass, which is magkatabi na kami. After namin makuha yung bago naming boarding pass, stay na nga lang kami dito sa gate kung saan naghintay na lang kami sa oras ng flight namin. After a few hours of waiting sa flight namin, sa wakas, pauwi na rin kami ng Manila. And while nasa flight kami, nanood lang kami ng Avatar sa iPad ko. So, after nga ng isang oras is nakarating na kami dito sa Manila and nag-request ako sa kanya na kumain kami ulit ng LA Chicks kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, lalo na yung chicken and patatas nila. Si Goober is really like that. Palagi nang nililigpit yung mga kinakainan namin. Dito nga inaasar ko siya kasi sabi ko sa kanya, kukuha na mo pa ata ng trabaho si ate.
Are you trying to steal her job? Are you trying to make her fired?
Wow, you gonna record me?
No, you did a good job, boo.
After our long day, umuwi na din kami and thank you guys for watching our first vlog. Bye!